To create a new quiz, select Forms on the Office 365 homepage and then choose New Quiz. Replace the placeholder title with your own title. Select Add New to add questions. Choose the kind of question you wish to add, such as multiple choice or text field. Type in your question and then add the answers. You can select Add Option if you want to create additional answer options. Next, choose the correct answer so that Forms can auto-grade the quiz later. You can also include questions with multiple answers by selecting Multiple Answers and marking a second answer as correct. You can add point values. Select Add New to create additional questions. Select the ellipses to add subtitles, adjust settings, and to add math functions. To share your quiz with students, go to Teams. Select Create under Assignments. Then select Quiz and choose the quiz you created in Forms. Select Next. Add instructions, set due dates, and adjust other settings. Finally, select Assign to post your quiz.